CDBG stands for Community Development Block Grant, and it's a program that was brought in with the Nixon administration, and it significantly changed the way we deliver community development funds in our country. They principally benefit low and moderate income people. Housing is very expensive here in Fairfax County. On the other hand, we have 1.2 million people, and a lot of our citizens require some sort of assistance. Community Development Week is an interesting thing. The communities that want to support the program, the Community Development Block Grant Program, want to be able to emphasize the importance to their congressional representatives to make sure that a reasonable level of funding for CDBG and home is achieved. We provide assistance to the homeless and supportive housing at Kate's Place, which is a project that we're very proud of. We also provide tenant-based rental assistance with home funds throughout the county. Persons with disabilities and some of our seniors that are struggling with the need for affordability. We're standing here in the North Point Apartments, which was assisted with CDBG funds.
Cornerstones is a nonprofit organization that's worked here in Reston for 47 years, and so we own and manage these beautiful apartments right here in North Point of Reston. This is the economic engine of the Dulles Corridor, and so being able to help families afford to live here, work here is really critical, and CDBG was critical to that work.